Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we'll dive deep into our BingX review. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey in the crypto world, understanding the tools available to you is crucial. Let's explore BingX and why it might be the perfect platform for your trading needs. BingX is a unique cryptocurrency exchange that stands out for several reasons. First, it offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners while still providing advanced features for experienced traders. With its sophisticated trading tools, users can analyze market trends effectively and execute trades with ease. One of the major advantages of using BingX is its social trading feature. This allows users to follow and copy the trades of top investors on the platform. By doing so, you can learn from their strategies and potentially increase your chances of success in the volatile crypto market. Imagine having the opportunity to mimic the moves of seasoned traders while you learn the ropes. Moreover, security is a top priority for BingX. The platform implements advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for assets, to ensure that your funds are safe. You can trade with peace of mind, knowing that your investments are well protected. Now, here's where it gets even better. By using the referral code CHUCHU, when signing up, you can unlock exclusive benefits. This includes reduced trading fees and access to special promotions available only to our users. It's a fantastic way to maximize your trading experience and keep more of your profits. In addition to the trading features and security measures, BingX also supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. This diversity provides you with the flexibility to diversify your portfolio and explore various investment opportunities. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or newer altcoins, BingX has you covered. So if you're looking for a reliable platform to start your crypto trading journey, BingX is definitely worth considering. Remember, don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU to take advantage of these amazing benefits. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. We hope this review has provided you with valuable insights into BingX. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency reviews and tutorials. Happy trading, and see you in our next video.